Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for what is a truncated week because of the fact we've got the Easter weekend coming up. But nonetheless, it's still going to provide us with opportunities to trade the markets. And we're now off to DailyFX to take a look at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 3rd of April. Richard Snow joins us now. Rich, what do you got for us?
Hi, Jimmy. I'm looking ahead to the Reserve Bank of Australia, the interest rate decision. Quite a lot to consider there. The bank certainly suggesting they could be at a pause right now, but if you look at market expectations, they certainly see it that way. But analysts very much just edging that we'll see a 25 basis point hike there. So certainly something to look out for as far as repricing risk is concerned. Now, looking at the charts where I think this could possibly play out is with the Aussie yen pair, the Australian dollar, your pro-cyclical high beta currency, certainly benefiting from this large shift in risk sentiment we've been seeing playing out for most of this week. And on the reverse side of that, the Japanese yen, which had picked up during the banking turmoil of the last 2 weeks or so, that pretty much reversing a large portion of its gains. So if we're looking at this change in sentiment continuing, there's certainly a great potential for bullish continuation here. Towards the end of the week, looks like Aussie yen just declining slightly. Not unusual there. Could be a result of some profit taking as we head into the end of the week. But this certainly holding firm ahead of that Reserve Bank meeting next week.
Okay, Richard, thanks so much indeed. That's the risk event for the week starting Monday, the 3rd of April.